Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can lock and unlock objects on Adobe Illustrator. So select the object that you want to lock and go to the object section. Select lock and then you're going to just select it to lock it. As you can see, it only locked one of the object, which is the one that I did lock. So this one I did lock. To unlock it, just right click on it, unlock, and then select the clip group, and then it's going to unlock the object like so. And that's pretty much it. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.